We will see how you can be more productive when you have to write something, whatever it is, and especially today we will try to write a script, a TV script or a movie script. And basically you just have a few things to know to write a script. And I don't want to write. I prefer to speak. Well, even if my English is not my primary language, but at least it's easier to speak than to write. So first of all, I apologize if I don't watch you, or at least the camera, all the time, because my document is over there for me. So if I want to see what I'm telling or typing, I have to watch the screen. Okay, so first, if you know where we are, it's easy. It's a Google Doc. So if you have a Gmail address, you have Google Docs, and you can create a new document as simply a text document. It's called Writer. It was called Writer. And from there, you go to Tools, Voice Typing, or Control Shift and S. Voice typing is available in various languages. We'll stick to English for now, and basically you can type. It will type what you say, but also you can add some punctuations and a few comments. Well, not a few, but at least we don't need all of them. So let's give it a try. So a script starts with a scene, and a scene is basically interior or exterior. And then you just precise where it is located, and you can add more and more details after that. So basically we can start saying that int period a dark room. As you see, it's not perfect, far from that. So the Doctor Who that's interesting if you want to test new ideas, or at least something that someone else could understand badly. So this one is not working because maybe I was saying it too fast. So let's try again. A dark room. Fine. So now we can see that it's writing what I said. It's automatic. If you want, I can show you my hands, but you don't listen. You don't hear me typing. You can just hear the click of my mouse. So at least you know that I'm not typing like this. And now punctuations, and well, you heard the period. And you can add commands like new line, select last word, and so on. But it's not working all the time, first, and secondly, it's far longer than just typing enter. So basically I prefer to have the hand on my keyboard just for some punctuation, at least new lines, and that's it. Basically, you can let the mic on and continue to do both typing and speaking. It's very convenient. So basically, let's say that it's very interesting for dialogues. Let me just show you. When you start a dialogue in a script, you have to put the name of the character first in all caps, and then you will have whatever you want beside that will be his line. So basically what we want is to have usually two characters, two protagonists if you want. Just the easy way to do that is just to type AA for the first one and BB for the second, or QQ, whatever. Something that is not available in any word, except if you have someone called aardvark, something called aardvark in your script. So that's the way it works. You just type in the mic, Hello, John. How are you today? I'm fine, thanks. What do you think about the sport last night? It was fine, but I think they could have done better. Period. Okay, so I forgot all the periods, and you should add them. Sorry, it's necessary for all the softwares who will use the script. But basically, I have a dialogue between AA and BB, and we know that BB is John. So what we can do now is simply Control F, and I click on the three dots here, and I will replace all BB by John, and I replace all, and that's it. And now AA with whoever you want, Sam. That's it. So basically you have a valid script in Fountain format, and from there you will be able to use it for to do multiple things. It's part of another video. And I hope you enjoyed it, and you understand why you see my mic today, and see you for another tutorial. Are you sure that's the way you want to do it? I don't know, do you have another option? Well, I think there are far different options. I don't know, tell me what you think.